Hey everybody, here's a garden update for you. So here we are at the... Hey everybody, here's a quick garden update because it's cold out here. It's down into the mid-20s, but you can see that the garden is full of snow. Well, actually it's ice. If you hear it coming down, you can hear it hitting the metal and the roof. Those are ice pellets, so it's sleet. It's not really snow. And of course we planted the onions there. You know, you never know when you're going to be able to plant around here. You get an early start and it might bite you in the butt. But let me flip this around. So the onions, they look okay. Onions may be able to survive this. The potatoes are underneath in the ground, so they're kind of insulated. So we'll see if our early garden start is a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, it's not going to last more than just today. So it's just a day of this ice covered.
Take a picture of the bird.
We'll see what happens, what lasts, what doesn't last here, but we're definitely getting an accumulation. You can see that it's accumulated here, and that's all little ice pellets. So the temperature, like I say, is in the low 20s here, and there's no wind, thank goodness, but you can see in the park area it's coming down, and we'll get an accumulation, but you know, we'll see what happens to the garden and what we have to do. So anyways, talk to you later. Yep, we got ice today, not really snow. Coming down, we got accumulation. Let's see what happens to the onions and everything else I planted. May have to replant, maybe not, I don't know. We'll see. It's only going to last a day. But we're definitely getting an accumulation, and everybody's going to stay off the roads today until this melts because it's too dangerous out there for most people. Temperatures in the low 20s. So here we have our fun one-off weird day. All the birds are trying to keep warm.